What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are standing with a legendary motorcycle that dual sport and adventure fans around the world have been waiting for. Built to handle both the daily urban commute and hard off-road trails without breaking a sweat, this is the all-new Suzuki DR-Z4S in Champion Yellow. Let's walk around this machine together. The side profile screams authentic enduro racing DNA. It's super slim, agile, and features an iconic Champion Yellow scheme paired with crisp white fairings and a bold black frame. It's a true dual-sport motorcycle built for riders who want absolute freedom to ride anywhere, anytime. Let's walk around to the front end. Up front, it rolls on a massive 21-inch wire-spoked wheel wrapped in dual-purpose knobby tires, ready to claw through dirt, rocks, and mud. It's paired with a front disc brake and an off-road tuned anti-lock braking system safety system. Moving up, look at this front setup. It looks directly taken from a rally racing machine. You get a stacked LED headlight with protective guards, a tall windscreen for highway wind protection, and sturdy handguards right from the factory, making it completely trail-ready straight out of the box. Now let's check out the heart of this adventure beast. Powering the DR-Z4S is a revised 398cc liquid-cooled, single-cylinder, dual-overhead camshaft 4-valve engine. It is a legendary bulletproof power plant, now updated with electronic fuel injection for razor-sharp throttle response. The low to mid-range torque on this bike is massive. It pops the front wheel up effortlessly. It drives through a 5-speed transmission. And check out the rear suspension down here. It features a fully adjustable monoshock with a golden SHOWA piggyback reservoir, paired with a lightweight aluminum swing arm to soak up heavy hits on rough terrain. Moving to the rear section, notice the high-level exhaust muffler tucked neatly under the tail panel, keeping it safe when crossing deep water hazards. The flat, narrow, enduro-style bench seat allows you to easily shift your weight forward and backward when riding standing up on the pegs. And on this display unit, it comes fitted with a rear rack holding a premium waterproof Touratech tailbag. It amps up the adventure touring aesthetic while giving you great waterproof storage for long-distance journeys. Stepping into the rider's zone, the wide aluminum handlebar gives you maximum leverage and control. The handlebar switchgear lets you easily toggle the Suzuki drive mode selector and traction control system, allowing you to adjust or completely disengage the rear ABS for dirt sliding on the trail. If we check the Eco sticker and spec sheet, this 400cc dual sport machine pulls off a great fuel efficiency of 28.6 kilometers per liter. To wrap it up, the Suzuki DR-Z4S in Champion Yellow is the complete dual sport package. With a recommended price of 359,000 baht, it brings bulletproof reliability, high-end suspension, smart rider electronics, and pure off-road capability. So, what do you think about the DR-Z4S? Do you love the rally-style front cowl or that Touratech tail setup more? Let me know in the comments down below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Catch you on the next trail. See ya!